Yes, guys, on this video, I'm going to show you 5 different bee related digital products that you can sell right now on Etsy. And this first one is absolutely fabulous. So making over $4,000 per month. It's only a 2-month-old listing. So guys, if you love videos on digital products and how to sell them on Etsy and all of that mad, great stuff, then please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget share, because that's what we do over here. We're sharers, man. Now check it out. Look, I'm looking at this honeybee junk journal listing, making $4,380, man. Made about 41 sales so far this month, and it's made 82 overall. 2-month-old listing, over 4K. It's crazy. Now check it out, man. This is a bee-related digital product, and it's these beautiful. Look at these junk journal pages, which is literally a digital download of these, and these can be done so easily. Now if you didn't know, junk journal kits are so popular, guys. They are really something that people love. So definitely look at junk journals. Look at these beautiful pages, guys. You get all these beautiful pages that are digitally downloadable, which has that sort of honeycomb, a bee flavor, right? You can see them. They've also got these florals, and usually with bees and honeycombs, there are these beautiful florals that they do have. You can see them here, because obviously bees make honey through flowers, right? Makes sense. So flowers, honey, bees is become a, look at these beautiful, look at honeycomb, beautiful pages that are created. Now, as you know, these can be created in something like MIDJOURNEY AI or LEONARDO quite easily. These beautiful watercolor style pages. Now, this is a bundle of these papers, junk journal pages. But like I said, once you get into the swing of creating these junk journal papers and you understand how to do it, you know, on many niches, they can make a lot of money, not just the bee niche, if you like. So definitely something to look at. Definitely something to kind of find. And like I keep saying, look at it, beautiful. Like I keep saying, you can use Everbee, my go-to research tool. Click the link below so you can find more of these kind of interesting unsaturated niches. But you know, you can tell that this one is a this one is a good one to get into, because it's only a 2-month-old listing. It's literally 2-month-old, and it's making over $4,000 per month. Is absolutely madness. It's one listing, guys. And you know, with things like this, you can command quite a lot of money. Now this is on a sale, but selling, you know, on a sale, $67.08, right? They do command a really good price, guys. But like I keep saying, look, it's a digital download. You can just download it, instant download. There you go. It gives you all the sizes for the junk journal pages. And it really is fabulous, guys. It really is fantastic. And you know, as with any digital download, once you've done it, then it's passive income along the way. Now, that is my first bee-related digital product. Second one I want to show, I mean, this one's a bestseller as well. Second one I want to show you, mate, is this one. And this is a Tumblr Wrap bee sunflower stroke honeycomb beehive related, with that lovely dripping honey at the top. Digital download, guys. One digital download. And let's see how much this 20-ounce skinny Tumblr Wrap template is actually making right now. It's actually making $359. Now, I see these as your evergreens, you know. These things are not something that are seasonal or necessarily something that sells Christmas, although they will sell for those periods, but it's an evergreen design digital download. Look, it's got an average conversion of 9.14, which tells me that this is something that is desired, wanted, searched for. It's a bestseller, boom. It's got 15 in a basket, boom. It's gold right there. It is absolute gold. But what we want to also understand is it's not just about the bees. It's about the combination. So you got the honeycomb design, you got the beehive, you got the sunflowers. The flowers is a really big thing to combine with bees, just to understand about how the design works. In this case, it's a 20-ounce skilly tumbler, right? Fabuloso. So all you're getting is you're going to get probably these 2 digital downloads. You get straight and tapered. Actually, you get 4 basic. Oh, 9. Okay, let's have a look at this. You get 20-ounce and you get 30-ounce Tumblr Wraps. Cool. And you also get the straight and the tapered version. Fabuloso, right? And it also says you get 9 free Tumblr designs included. I always believe it's a really good thing for any seller to do a giveaway and to do extra designs for free. It very important, especially with digital products. So seller's done fantastically well. Imagine 10 of these guys. Like I said, these are your evergreens. Very simple to do, very quick to do. And you're doing this and you're getting $300 odd per month, but yet you're selling this consistently. And imagine you got 10 similar listings. It's about a numbers game, guys. You know, when you got these evergreens, it's about a numbers game. You may be getting $200, $300, $400, but imagine if you got a good number of listings and they sell consistently well, because people do search for these. People love bees. You know, there are people out there that love bees, right? They buy bee mugs, buy bee scarves, buy bee books, buy bee digital download tumblers, buy bee wall art. So they will like something and they'll buy different products. And I keep saying it, if somebody's got a love for something, they will buy different products. So this is your second one. So bestseller, boom, 15 in a basket, boom, ready to go, man, ready to go. Here's your third digital product, right? These are crochet patterns. Spoken about crochet patterns a lot, so do check out my videos. This is not what they get, what you see right now, that physical honeycomb and that beehive. They don't get this. They just get the digital download on how to create it. So it's like a set of instructions on how to make this crochet pattern product. Now, granted, you'd probably need to make it or get it made so that you can produce these lovely pictures on the image listing, so that you can actually sell the product and show the customer what it looks like for show. You definitely need to do that. But what they're essentially getting is only a digital download, right? Look at that, digital download, PDF. But what amazes me, this shows me how such a good seller it is. It's a bestseller. The title is not even fully written. You know, they've only used a few words in the title and it's not on a sell. So it's telling me that this thing sells even without having fantastic title or really lots of words in the title. Look, it's making $2,000 a month. Guys, it's making over $2,000 a month. It's not on a sell. The title hasn't used all the words that are given to it. There's so much more potential in this listing. And I can imagine that this listing could get way more than $2,000 because there's still a lot more to do on the title. Does it have Etsy tags? I need to check and see if it's got some tags on there, just to see that if there are tags there. Yeah, there are tags. I can see there are tags. Maybe not all of the tags, but there are definitely tags there. But yeah, you know, this can actually, it's making over $2,000, but potentially can make even more. So there's definitely a demand for these crochet pattern PDFs. 100%. Bestseller, boom. No sell, boom. Wicked. Really, really cool listing. But then again, see, another bee-related digital download, which you could potentially do. Let's go to a fourth one, man. This is another bee-related one. Now look at this. Look at this combination, guys. I've spoken about understanding the science of design on it and how to make money, right? Do check out my playlist, by the way, because I give you so much information and tips. And don't forget, I'm also doing a community Discord. So do check out my Discord as well. The link is below so that you can chat to other people and just get some tips and advice. But check this out, man. Check this out. Look at this. This is a combination of bees with gnomes. That's the combination here right now. And the third element I would say is sunflowers. Sunflowers and bees just work amazingly well, especially sunflowers, because obviously you get honey from flowers, right? That's how we get the honey. But there's more to it. Look at this. You got the 3 gnomes, and people love that 3 gnome thing. Don't know what it is. The gnomes with the covered eyes as well. That's the other thing. So it's understanding what particular design. You can't put any gnomes there and it's not going to work. You got to put these particular gnomes that cover the eyes, that have these beards, that have that nose sticking out. There's a particular style as well. But the combination with that, with the sunflowers and the bees, works amazingly well. Then you got the honeycomb style there. So combining products, designs works fantastically well. Look at it. It's a bestseller, boom. It's not on a sale. It's got 19 in a basket, boom. Now how much is this? And this is a simple PNG, simple design, PNG, digital download that people can buy instantly. I mean, this one's making approximately, how much is this making? $241. Now look, imagine it's an evergreen. Look, it's got 17.98 conversion rate. So you got 10 of these beautiful ones. You're making over 2K. What I'm trying to say is, these are your evergreens that will sell consistently well because people love this. So if someone loves gnomes, they might buy it. People love bees, they'll buy it. Sunflowers, they might buy it. It may not make hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but imagine $200-300 on a consistent basis for one listing. That's actually very, very good, guys. And that's how I have to view it. It's about a numbers game, building your listings. Here's another one. Look, watercolor, beautiful images, clip arts, right? With these really nice design watercolor styles with the honey flowers. Again, that same combination. You got a beehive, you got the bees there. Beautiful, right? Sort of that spring flavor. Really nice, guys. But yeah, you know, something that people love. Look, if the people love bees and they want to use bee clip arts on their cards or whatever it may be on a product, it could be using it on a mug, then they will look for something like this. And there's a lot of potential in bee clip arts, actually. Now, this bundle or this bundle of clip arts makes over $300 per month. Now, like I keep saying, imagine you got consistent evergreen listings that are making this money. So, you know, there is definitely an art with selling people designs that they love. So if people love bees, then they're going to look for something like this. They might put it on their cards, t-shirts, tote bags, mugs, like I said, wall art. They will love to put designs on many, many different products. And no, clip art's a really fantastic one to sell because it has that versatility. And $300 is a really good amount to sell. You know, look, it's in demand, boom. Really nice, really cool. And imagine having that selling every month. Evergreen, another evergreen listing. Fabuloso. So yeah, guys, this is my video on 5 different bee-related digital products that you could sell right now. And yeah, hope you liked the video. Remember, don't forget, please follow me on my socials because they're very lonely. And if you do love videos like this, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And I shall see you on the next one, mate. See you on the next. Take care, mate. Take care.